mind won't slow down, it's racing. Thoughts I can't escape. Every fear keeps on repeating, and it won't go away. I feel the weight of the silence, like I'm trapped inside. Smiling on the outside, but I'm breaking deep inside. God, I'm barely holding on, I don't feel strong. Jesus, meet me here in the middle of it all. Jesus, help me breathe again when my chest is caving in, when my thoughts won't let me rest. God, quiet what's in my head. In the darkness, be my light. Stay with me through every night, even when I feel alone. Jesus, don't let me go. Every day feels heavy, like I'm losing ground. I don't have the answers, just this constant sound. God, if you are near me, hold me in this place. Carry me through the breaking, cover me with grace. You are peace in the chaos, calm in the storm. Jesus, stay beside me when I'm